Hi everyone. We are the students from Shriram Public School. I am Prapti Dugar and I study in grade 9. Today with me I have my teammates Khushi from grade 7, grade 6, Aradhya Singh and Rhythm Verma from grade 7. Our project is entitled The Smart Baby Cradle. Imagine it's 2 a.m. The baby is crying non-stop and the parents are exhausted after a long day at work.
I saw this at my cousin's house. My aunt had been trying to comfort the baby for hours. That moment made me realize how hard it is for parents, especially working mothers, to manage both work and childcare. Every night, countless parents face them, worrying that if their baby is hungry, wet, or uncomfortable. Yet, there's no simple or affordable way to face this. That's what inspired us to create this smart baby cradle. It's not just a cradle, it's a caring companion powered by sensors and IoT technology. This cradle mainly carries two sensors, a sound sensor to detect the baby's cry and a moisture sensor to check if the bed's wet. When sound sensor detects the baby crying, a small toy above the cradle starts rotating to soothe the baby. At the same time, an instant alert is sent to the parent's smartphone through IoT, keeping them informed in real time.
Here's how it works. The sound detector detects the cry of the baby and the fan starts working, and when the moisture is detected by the moisture sensor, the LED starts working. Both these sensors are connected to the IoT module. These both sensors transmit messages to the mobile app as soon as it's detected.
As the baby cries, the parents get a notification saying sound detected, please check your baby. And if the bed is wet, they get moisture detected, please change the bedding.
This automation helps parents to save their time by not checking their baby's condition every few minutes and ensuring quick attention whenever needed.
Our smart baby cradle is affordable, energy efficient, and easy to use in any household. By combining these IoT alerts, sensors, and rotating toy, this brings our baby in comfort and peace of mind to parents, especially mothers. Our project supports women and child development theme promoting smarter and safer parenting. In future, we plan to add temperature and heart rate sensors to make it a complete smart baby care system. Our vision is simple: to give every parent peace of mind and every child comfort through innovation, because technology should never replace love, it should support it. Every cry deserves care and every parent deserves rest. Thank you, viewers, for watching this video.